Hello, good morning, friends. My name is Ganasiva. I am explaining Trivium ideology of rules and regulations and how it works. Our system Trivium founder Mr. C.G. Mavrodi yesterday in 2011. We are already in 107 countries and more than 138 million participants. What is the Trivium? Trivium is not a bank. Trivium does not collect your money. Trivium is not an online business, hype, investment, or MLM program. Trivium is a community where people help each other. Trivium gives a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transfer funds to another participants or your help given by your own goodwill to another one. Absolutely gratis. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully all warning and instructions first. In case of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer your all questions. How does it work? Trivium is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitude, reciprocity, and benevolence. In Trivium, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In Trivium, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. Ideology. The modern world is a bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is for those who produce this money for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires. And people are mere pawns in this game. They just serve them as attendants. What is money? Now we move on to money. Of course, money is not any measures of labor. These are fairy tales for idiots. Otherwise, you would live like a lad, or maybe you don't work much enough. Unfortunately, money is just a tool to hold all of us in slavery. We are all slaves of money. More precisely, we are slaves of those who print money. They are our masters. The whole financial world is a pyramid. So, our system founder, C.G. Mavrodi, a new fair financial system will be established. Financially apocalypse, that's the only thing that can break our financial chains and save us all. How do banks deceive people? What does the Trivium stand for? Trivium is a global mutual aid fund, world's people's bank financial social network. How to start participating? Register on the website, enter the personal office, and there will be two big buttons, provide help and get help. If you want to put your money, so click provide help and point out the sum of money you would like to put the system. The minimal sum is 100 jar. You can check it your Mavro how to growth monthly or yearly. Okay, the minimum sum is 100 jar. Legality. The Trivium is absolutely legal and does not break any laws because there are no only money transfer between private persons and nothing more. Totally welcome to the system. Together we will change the world. Thank you.